Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shay with your Shay. And this week I'm going to review a vegan chorizo burrito bowl. So we can call this Chorizo Wednesday. So I'm going to let you know what I think in just a few minutes. So of course, I found this chorizo at Kroger. Here are all the ingredients I end up using. Here's just a close-up of the chickpea rice. Of course, it's vegan, gluten-free. It has 11 grams of protein. Here is a closer look of the vegan chorizo by Simple Truth. To cook the chickpea rice, you're gonna boil 2 cups of water, turn it down to a simmer, and add 1 cup of chickpea rice and let it simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. Go ahead and dice up those bell peppers and onions, as well as the chorizo. You're only going to use 2 links. And this is how your chickpea rice should look once it's done. You're going to go ahead and add the grapeseed oil and turn it to a medium-high heat. Add the onions and bell peppers, as well as the chorizo and the garlic minced. Saute it for about maybe 4 to 5 minutes. Stir everything together and allow it to saute. Once everything starts to cook down and look like this, it's about time to add the rest of the ingredients. You're going to go ahead and add the can of black beans, a can of corn, the can of rotel, as well as the chickpea rice. You're also going to add 2 cups of vegetable broth and about half, maybe up to the whole pack of the hot and spicy taco seasoning, depending on how much spice you like. And of course, you're going to stir everything together to make sure everything cooks thoroughly. Turn it up to a boiling point for about a minute. Then turn it down to a medium-high heat and cover for 10 to 15 minutes. And once it looks like this, it is done and you can remove it from the stove. And it's all done. Go ahead and top it off with the vegan cheese, the cilantro, and some vegan sour cream. So, of course, I found all of these products at Kroger. So this is how it looks. This is the CHORIZO Burrito bowl. It's all vegan. It's topped with sour cream, cilantro. You can also top with jalapenos. This has the vegan chorizo. It has black beans, corn, onions, bell peppers, the green and red, and it has the chickpea rice. So yes, I cannot wait to try it. I have not tried the vegan chorizo that I found in I think it was the cold section right by the yogurts and stuff like that. So let's dig in. That's my favorite part. I like to eat. So here we go. All right, so just to get a closer look, this is how it looks. So I got the chickpea rice and all the other veggies. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Let's get some with the chorizo with the sour cream. Oh my god. You know what? I'm gonna try it with the jalapenos. Oh my god, it's really good. With the cilantro on it, just adds an extra pow and a zing to it. Oh yeah, it's really good. I'm gonna add the jalapeno. So I added a few jalapenos just to see how it tastes with some jalapenos added. It's really good. It's delicious. You could probably eat it in an actual burrito. You could use nachos, dip some chips in there, however you want to eat it. It's very good. You can taste all the flavors, the texture. I can't even tell the chickpea rice is not regular rice. Everything is phenomenal. And it's high with a lot of protein. So this is a very protein, nutritional packed food. It's very tasty. It's absolutely delicious. I will give this a 10 out of 10. So yeah, try this out, y'all. So I'm gonna let you kind of look how it looks once it's, hidden. I hope you guys can see that. You see it? So yeah, try it out and let me know what you think. I'm gonna keep eating this because this is absolutely delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye.